In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing transactions from your bank or credit card to QuickBooks Online. If some of your bank or credit card activity didn't come through automatically, you can bring it in by uploading a supported file from your bank. This is a quick and reliable way to keep your books accurate without waiting for the bank feed to catch up. Once you're in QuickBooks Online, look to the left panel and click on Accounting. From there, go to the Bank Transactions tab. This is where all of your connected accounts and imported activity live, and it's the right place to add any missing items. At the top right of this page, find the small caret icon right next to the Link Account button. Click that caret to open a short menu and then choose Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks that you're going to provide a file of transactions directly instead of linking a new bank. You'll be prompted to pick the QuickBooks account you want these transactions to land in. Choose the exact bank or credit card account that matches the file you're uploading. It's really important that the file aligns with the correct account and date range to prevent duplicates or misplacements. Now, upload your bank file by dragging and dropping it into the field, or use the file picker if you prefer. Most banks offer downloadable files specifically for accounting software. If you have options, look for commonly supported formats like CSV or bank-specific Web Connect formats. Before uploading, it's a good idea to quickly check that the dates, amounts, and currency look right in the file you got from your bank. After the file uploads, take a moment to correct the data if anything doesn't match or looks incomplete. This review step is key. Make sure the dates make sense, the descriptions are readable, and the amounts are in the right columns. If some transactions are missing payee names or look vague, add or adjust the details so they'll be easy to categorize later. Keep an eye out for any potential duplicates if the same date range was already partially imported by your bank feed. Cleaning this up now will save you time and confusion down the line. Once everything looks accurate and complete, you're done with the upload. You've successfully added your missing transactions to the right account in QuickBooks Online, and they're ready for your usual review and categorization workflow. That's all. By following these steps, you can confidently fill in gaps from your bank or credit card and keep your books consistent and up to date.